Well, if you're looking for a ready-made sifter, I would say the best place to look is either a garage sale or thrift stores. And if you live in the country compared to the city, you have a better chance of scoring homemade sifters because a lot of people in the country build their own materials and their own products. And that's what makes living in the country great. But don't get me wrong, I have lived in the city, but I'm starting to like the country lifestyle better because I have access to a lot more man-made resources. But like I said, if you're looking to score a great sifter and you don't have a lot of pride, go to, once again, a garage sale or a thrift store. But here's another video to learn more about sifters. I'll see you in the next one.